Hey there, this is Matt from hotshottrucking.com. Buckle up because we're about to take a quick tour through the industries that rely on our hotshot trucking services. Because at hotshottrucking.com, we're not just moving freight, we're keeping industries running, projects on track, and businesses thriving. We're the ones they call when failure's not an option. First up, let's talk about the automotive industry. Cars and cars? That's so meta. But seriously, when a production line is at a standstill because of a missing part, that's where we come in. Every minute of downtime can cost thousands. So getting that crucial component there ASAP is literally what keeps the wheels of industry turning. Next on our list is aviation and aerospace. Ever heard the phrase, time is money? Well, in aviation, it's more like time is money, safety, and a whole lot of frustrated passengers. When an aircraft is grounded due to a mechanical issue, getting the right part there quickly isn't just about convenience, it's about keeping schedules intact and passengers happy. Now let's build our way to the construction industry. Construction projects run on tight schedules, and when a vital piece of equipment breaks down, it can throw the whole timeline out of whack. That's where hotshot trucking saves the day and the budget. Speaking of heavy equipment, we can't forget about the mining and metals industry. When you're dealing with massive machinery in remote locations, you can't exactly pop down to the local store for a replacement part. That's why they call us. We can get what they need, where they need it, fast. Manufacturing is another big one for us. In today's world of just-in-time production, a single missing component can halt an entire factory. We found that maintenance managers love us because we help them get the parts they need as fast as possible to get their production lines going again. Our hotshot services keep those assembly lines humming. Then there's telecommunications. In our connected world, network downtime isn't just inconvenient, it can be catastrophic for businesses. When a cell tower goes down or a data center needs an emergency part, we're there to help get everything back online. Last, but definitely not least, there's the oil and gas industry. Whether it's an offshore rig or a remote pipeline, when equipment fails in this industry, it's not just costly, it can be dangerous. Our ability to deliver critical parts quickly helps keep operations safe and productive. So why do all these industries need hotshot trucking? It's simple. In today's fast-paced world, downtime is the enemy. Every minute of delay can mean thousands in lost revenue, unhappy customers, or even safety risks. That's where we come in, providing that crucial lifeline when time is of the essence. So next time you see a truck zipping down the highway, remember, it might just be carrying the part that keeps your lights on, your car rolling off the production line, or your flight taking off on time. Thanks for tuning in. If you're in an industry that can't afford to wait, remember, hotshottrucking.com is here 24/7, ready to deliver what you need when you need it.